I'm DJ Rapid Disco. I'm 27 years old. I was a DJ in 2009. Begin from I'm interesting about music style and listening a lot of music. After that, I go to learn DJ. My music style like chill out, loud, soul, funk, disco, R&B, pop, house music, and electro style. The most, the most style I like disco and funky house. I think it make feel fun and dance on floor. I like to see every people dance on the floor and feel fun with me. See you. Bye bye.